Hello, today I'm down in Oregon, here to do a review of Timber Road. BMR TV road reviews are not only about the facts and figures, the route map, my impressions, but you get to see it for yourself. So sit back and enjoy. It's essentially an alternate route from Vernonia down to Highway 26, or again Highway 6 if you're going into the Forest Grove area, or if you want to take 6 out to Tillamook. Starts out as a pretty basic country road, as you can see. Nothing too fancy, but what the heck is that? But as we get further on, it does get a little bit twisty. There are some decent elevation changes, and it's actually a pretty fun little road. Although the road surface can be a little iffy at times, so keep your eyes open. Oh! Yes, please. That sign's actually a bit aspirational. The road doesn't really get that bendy for a little while. It is pretty though. But as you can see, the road surface is a bit lumpy. When you see the dip sign, slow it down a little bit. They actually mean it. It basically hits you on both sides of the corner. See what I mean? Hey, oh! What on earth are these two guys doing? Ooh. Soon we leave the open farmland valley view for something a little more tree-lined, almost like a mountain road. You can see it's a little bit windy, but it's not too technical, not yet. Further up the road, it does get a bit tighter and a bit more difficult. But for right now, it's actually a pretty nice little road. Again, besides the lumpy road surface that you can see through the jostling camera view. Sorry about that. Here we are at Highway 26, also known as Sunset Highway. If you turn right, you'll go to the coast. If you'll turn left, you'll head back toward Beaverton and Portland and Banks and all those places. We, today, are going straight across to continue on Timber Road down toward Highway 6. You can feel the personality of the road has changed completely from the upper area, part north of Highway 26. Here, it starts to get a bit more fun. There is one town along the way, the town of Timber. Go figure. It's a very small town, and it's got tight, twisty couple corners. It's not much there, so don't expect to get gas or food or whatever. You have to do that somewhere else. But anyway, this is Timber. Wow, that post office has seen better days. Holy cow. I like to respect the towns, but geez, this feels slow. I won't make you suffer with me. Boop. After the town of Timber, the road starts to head downhill and gets a fair bit more technical. And a lot more fun. Oh yeah. There is a bit of gravel on the road. Not sure if it's just a winter thing or if it's always like this. And there are a couple switchbacks. Hairpins? Switchback? Hairpins? Not sure. Besides the gravel, this is great. So, what do I think? It may not be the most epic road out there, But if you like to get off the beaten path and do something a little different, Timber Road's a pretty good way to go. A few more corners to go. Right around this corner is the end. There has been a bunch of construction over this small bridge. Looks like it's all cleared up now. Check this out. Hey, it's all new. Nice. Alright, well. Anyway, here we end Timber Road at Highway 6. Thanks so much for coming along. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And click the bell icon to make sure that you are notified when new videos get uploaded. If you have any roads that you think I should ride, leave those in the comments below. And if you'd like to support my effort in producing awesome videos, join the BMR TV crew by clicking the support link in the description below. And until next time, get out and ride.